Every time the Aladin is turned on, it is important to check the calibration. For that purpose, each instrument comes with a calibration tool or schematic eye. It's important to notice the schematic eyes are unique to each instrument and they come coded with the serial number of the instrument, so the schematic eyes are not interchangeable, and using the wrong schematic eye in a different instruments could lead to mistaken readings. Check the schematic eye to make sure that the lens is clean, doesn't have any dust or marks. Even though you may not use the chin rest paper that comes with the instrument, it is important to install the chin rest paper pins because these are going to hold the schematic eye. We insert the pins and make sure they both click in place. With the pins in place, we place the schematic eye. It has to click securely on the chin rest. After that, we are ready to check the calibration of the instrument. When the Aladin turns on, there is a warning sign that asks for calibration check. So we press start, and the screen is going to display step-by-step instructions on how to perform the calibration check. The first thing it says is to place the schematic eye as we said, and now we are ready to perform a measurement. We have to have all the Placido rings reflected on the sphere. If some of them are not visible, we have to correct the centering until all of them appear. Once they are clearly focused, we press the button once and we see that the Myers and the arrows are all blue, indicating that we have to move away from the target. If we are too far, they turn red. That means that we have to go closer. And when they turn green, we are at the proper distance, so we press the button and perform the reading. When it reads not valid, the measurement needs to be repeated. As you see, all the measurements now are valid, therefore the instrument is properly calibrated and it can take measurements from patients. The Aladin keeps track of all the measurements and the calibration checks. In order to save this information in the calibration check database, we press main, and the instrument is going to ask us if we want to save the values. We say yes. And now we're in the main screen ready to enter a patient.